Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Triple E Encyclopedia. It's me Subuna and assistant professor in the department of Triple E. And in this video, let us see why the transformer is rated in kVA but not in kilowatt. So kVA and kilowatt, these are all the power rating of the particular machine or equipment. That is the power consumed or generated or transferred by the particular equipment is represented by kilovolt ampere kVA or kilowatt. So now let us see why transformer is rated in kVA instead of kilowatt. Before that, let us see the nameplate details of some of the equipments. So the transformer nameplate detail is like this, right? So in this one, see this one kVA, that is the transformer power rating is represented by kVA, that is 25 kVA. And now see another one nameplate detail of induction motor, that is three-phase induction motor. See, this is the kilowatt or horsepower, it is 90, right? The power rating of the induction motor is normally represented by in terms of kilowatt, but the previous transformer it is kVA, right? Why the transformer is represented by kVA? Let us see one by one. And I have taken another one nameplate detail of alternator, that is the alternator or synchronous generator. Its output rating is normally represented by kVA, right? The motor is represented by kilowatt or horsepower. The generator and transformer, both of them are represented by, that is the power rating is represented by kVA, kilovolt ampere, right? What is the main reason behind that particular kVA? Let us see. So normally all the electrical devices are rated based on the maximum power it consume or generate or transfer, right? The power system means it is having the generator, transformer, transmission lines, and at the load side we are having the motor. So the generator, it is used to generate the power. So the power rating of the particular generator is represented by kVA, and the transformer, it is used to step up or step down the voltages at the sending and receiving end of the particular power system, so that the transformer is also represented by kVA. But the motor is nothing but it produces the mechanical power output, so that it is represented by kilowatt or horsepower. So we have already seen that few of them are represented by kilowatt and some of them are represented by kVA. So normally the transformer is rated in terms of kVA or volt ampere, not a kilowatt. So the electrical load, already said that the load is nothing but motor, lamp, heaters, and etc. These are all represented by kilowatt. The load are represented by kilowatt, but the source, that is the machine or device used to generate the power or transfer the power, these are all represented by kVA. And the equipment used for power generation and transmission, right? Already said that it is represented by kVA. Load is represented by kilowatt. And any piece of electrical equipment is rated based on how much current it can handle at a particular voltage. That is, just we are applying the voltage, depending upon the voltage it consume some amount of power, right? So that it take the current from the voltage. And also losses also happening in the each and every equipment. So take any electrical equipment, it is rated. How that particular equipment is rated by a kilowatt or kVA means depending upon the current that equipment will take, and what is the applied voltage and what are the losses occurring in the particular equipment. There are that particular equipment is rated in terms of a kilowatt or kVA. So already said that kVA is nothing but kilovolt ampere. So kVA is what is the power, right? The electric power, the unit of electric power. So for calculating the kVA of any piece of equipment, the power factor is not taken into account. That is, the equipment rating is represented by, power rating is represented by kVA means that place the power factor is not considered. That is, the cos phi value is not considered. That is, the losses are not taken into account. That is, the power in kVA is nothing but voltage and the current, the particular equipment voltage rating and the current taken by the, or current rating of the particular equipment, that is the power rating. Voltage into current is called as the power rating, so that it is represented by kVA. Rating of alternator, transformer and UPS, right? These are all represented by kVA. That is the power rating of the generator. It generate the power, and transformer is used to transfer the power from one side to another side, and UPS, these are all rated by kVA, not kilowatt. and the kilowatt is also the unit of electrical power, already said that. And here we are considering the power factor, right? The kilowatt formula is nothing but voltage into current into power factor. KVA means just voltage into current, but the kilowatt watts means we want to include the power factor cos phi also, that is voltage into current into power factor, right? Power factor is again multiplied with the KVA. The KVA is converted into kilowatt. And normally machines that produce a mechanical power output is rated in terms of kilowatt. That is already said that the motor, induction motor power rating is nothing but kilowatt or horsepower, because it produces the mechanical output, right? From the motor we are getting the rotational movement as the output. Mechanical output will be obtained, but in the generator we are getting the electrical output. In the motor we are getting the mechanical output. So that what all the devices are producing the mechanical output are rated, that is the power rating of the particular mechanical devices or nothing but it is in terms of kilowatt, not kVA, right? The mechanical devices, or there is mechanical output devices are rated in terms of kilowatt, not kVA. The transformers are an energy transfer device. Already said that it transfer the that is voltage from one side to another side, or power from one side to another side without changing any frequency. So the transformer is the energy transfer device, and there that is a static device also. So that transformer, the losses are negligible, so the losses are not considered, so the power factor is also not considered in that particular equipment. So that the transformer, the losses are removed, the power factor is also not considered, so that the transformer is rated in terms of kVA. The transformer or an energy transfer device that transfer the power from primary side to the secondary side without altering the energy level, right? Without changing any energy level. What are the input at the if there is energy at the input side, is same energy will be obtained at the output side also. And the iron loss and the copper loss are plays a vital role in all the electrical machines. So the iron loss and copper loss occurring in the transformers are also independent of the power factor. In the transformer, we are getting some losses like iron loss and copper loss. Iron loss is otherwise called as the core loss, and copper loss is another one loss. It depends upon the load. But here the losses are independent of the power factor. Okay. Normally that losses are dependent on the power factor for all machines, but the transformer, the iron loss and copper losses are independent of the power factor. That's why that the transformer is rated in terms of kVA. And the output power factor of the transformer purely depends on the connected load. So here output power factor is nothing but the secondary side of the transformer, the load will be connected, right? The load that may be resistive, inductive or capacitive load, anything depending upon the type of load at the secondary side of the transformer. Output side we are getting the power factor, right, depending upon the load. So the transformer does not alter the power factor of its output power, right? Depending upon the type of load connected, we are getting some load, but the transformer does not alter the power factor of its output power. That's why that transformer is rated in terms of kVA. So the transformers are rated in kVA because the losses are occurring in the transformers are independent of power factor. This is the very important point why the transformers are rated in terms of kVA, not kilowatt. We have studied some of the concept like the iron loss and the copper loss. The iron loss depends upon the voltage and the copper loss depends upon the current. That's why the transformer is rated in terms of kVA. But that is not a correct explanation for that transformer is rated in terms of kVA. The correct definite explanation for the transformer that is rated in terms of kVA is nothing but the losses occurring in the transformer is independent of power factor. That's why the transformers are represented by kVA. Power of the transformer is represented in terms of kVA, not kilowatt. So the kVA is the unit of apparent power. It is a combination of real power and the reactive power. And that is, we can also say VA is nothing but apparent power. Real square root of real power square and reactive power square, that is called as the apparent power. That's why the kVA is the unit of apparent power. So the transformers are manufactured without considering the load being connected. Normally the transformers are manufactured in that particular industry without considering the load, right? So any kind of electrical load can be connected. The transformer is manufactured with the power rating in terms of kVA means any type of load we can connect and we can operate it. But if the transformer is rated in terms of kilowatt, then there may be a confusion, right? So to avoid the confusion, the transformers are represented in terms of kVA. So if the transformer is rated in kilowatts, there may be a confusion regarding the type of load being connected. This is why the transformer is rated in kVA. So by doing so, we can eliminate the confusion regarding the type of load being connected. So the transformer is rated kVA. We can connect any type of load. So suppose it is rated in terms of kilowatt, the cos phi value, depending upon the cos phi value, the current rating may be increased or decreased. So if it is a power factor is unity, if you are using the transformer with the secondary current is 200 amp means the unity power factor load, that load, the current given by the transformer secondary is 200 amps. Suppose the power factor is reduced by 0.5, the load that will need 400 ampere current for its operation, but the transformer is rated only 200 amps, so that may not have any capability to deliver 400 amps to the load. The transformer may be damaged. So the transformer is rated in kilowatt. Depending upon the type of load connected, the power factor may vary, and depending upon the power factor, the current taken by the load is also increased or decreased. So the transformer is not able to deliver that much current to the load, that may be damaged or burned. So to avoid that, the transformer is normally rated in kVA, so that any type of load we can connect it and operate it if the transformer is rated in terms of kVA. So finally, the summary of this concept: the transformer does not produce any mechanical output. So already said that the transformer, it just transfer the power from primary side to secondary side. It does not create any mechanical output. That's why it is rated in kVA, and the output and losses occurring in the transformer is independent of power factor, right? So the losses, actually transformer is a static device, that losses are negligible, so that losses are independent of power factor, so that the transformer is rated in terms of kVA. And the power factor of the transformer output current is determined by the load connector. So the power factor of the transformer is the output side is determined by the type of load connected to it. So therefore, it is common practice to rate the transformers in kVA, which is the product of rated voltage and the maximum current winding can carry. That is the secondary winding that can carry. So these are all some correct explanation about why the transformer is rated in terms of kVA, not kilowatt. But the motors are rated in kilowatt because the motors are producing the mechanical output. That's why that are rated in kilowatt. But in the transformer, the losses are negligible. The losses are independent of power factor. It is not producing any mechanical output. That's why the transformer is rated in terms of kVA. Okay, thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe our channel AAA Encyclopedia, and share all basic concepts of this channel to your friends also.